Hi, it's Courtney, and in today's video I'm bringing you part 5 of my rainbow series, Blue. The palette that I'm using in this video is the Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette. Firstly, you need to prep your eyes for eyeshadows by applying a concealer as a base. Using a flat brush, place the concealer across your lid and then using the remaining product on the brush to carve out the lower side of your brow. Blend the concealer across your entire lid to create an even base for your shadows to stick to. The first shade that you will be using is Cursed. Pack this above the crease near the start of your brow and in the outer corner of your eye to mimic the shape of eyeliner. To begin blowing out the shadow shape that you laid down, blend the shade Bewitched over the edge of Cursed in very small circular motions. Reapply Cursed into that false liner area to add further definition to the shape, and then use a flat smudging brush to bring that same shape onto the outer half of the lower lid right up against the lash line. Pick up the shade Bewitched and use a tapered blending brush to blend Cursed onto the bottom lid and out towards the temple, joining it to that faux liner shape. Take a small pencil brush and blend the shade Wish over the very edge of the areas that you have placed Bewitch. This will create a beautiful gradient effect from dark to light within the blue tones. When working towards the temple and beneath that faux liner area, use a slightly larger blending brush to achieve a more blown out effect within that shade Wish. Pull the shade Wish out towards the temple to create an elongated eyeshadow effect. And then bring that lighter blue shade throughout the crease beneath the brow bone area. Once again, take the shade Bewitched and apply it over the edge of the darkest areas of the look to reinforce the blend and enhance the icy blue tones. Take a small blending brush and apply the shade Cursed back into that area just above the crease and below the start of the brow to enhance the depth of the look. Using the leftover product on the brush, begin to bring that shade outward slightly towards the tail end of the faux liner shape. Take the same brush and eyeshadow shade and go back into the faux liner shape and the outer corner of the bottom lash line to rebalance the deep tones of the look. Apply the shade Bewitched throughout the look and over the edge of the areas you have placed the shade Cursed. Make sure to remember to blow out the bottom lid and the outer V to elongate the eyeshadow shape and enhance the faux liner shape. Take that flat smudging brush from earlier and reapply the shade Cursed into the lower lid, faux liner shape and into the eye socket area below the start of the brow to enhance the pigmentation and depth of the look. Use the shade White Lies from the Beauty Bay palette on a flat-topped crease brush and apply it into the inner half of the lid to highlight the gap where there are no shadows. Spray a flat brush with a setting spray and pick up the shade Crystal from the Book of Magic palette. Apply this shade over the White Lies shade from the Bright palette and bring it out slightly towards the temple above the faux liner shape. Deepen the darkest areas of the look once again using the Curse shade. Soften the edge of between Cursed and Crystal by applying Bewitched over the edge of where both shades meet. Blow out the edges of the entire look by applying the shade Wish in circular and windscreen wiper motions. Highlight your brow bone using a blue toned highlighter. I'm using Pearlescent Sheen by MUA Cosmetics. Pick up the shade Moonlight and apply this into the inner half of the lower lid and into the inner corner of your eye. Then take that same blue tone highlighter and highlight the inner corner of your eye, overlapping that Moonlight shade. Curl your lashes and prep them for lashes and mascara. Apply a generous coating of mascara to the top and bottom lashes. The lashes that I'm using today are the Esmerelda Lashes by Doll Beauty. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other. And that's the finished blue cut crease eyeshadow look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like. If you recreate any of my looks, make sure to tag me at CourtneyBeautyUK on Instagram, at CourtneyBeauty_ on Twitter, and hashtag CourtneyBeauty for a chance to be featured on my page. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.